Namaste dear students and dear parents. Welcome to RD online classes. Today we are going to talk on topic number 2 of block number 5. Before starting my topic, I would like to tell the resources which we need for today's class. Content book, the workbook, notebook and a pencil. Now let me talk on the previous topic. Can you tell me name of some habitats of animals? Desert, mountains, water, then we have the polar regions and the forest. Wow, good. Now, can you tell me what features a polar bear having that it can live on a polar region? It's having a fur on its body. Yes, the fur helps them to survive on such a cold regions. Very good, beautiful. Now I want to ask a question from you. What the covering do you have on your body? What covers your whole body? It's our sense organ also. The skin. Yes. Our topic is based on this only, that we are going to talk about the covering of animals, right? Come. So our block number 5, that is habitat and adaptations, and topic number 2 is body covering of animals, right? The aim of this topic is that describe how the body covering of animals help them survive in their habitat. Means जो animals रह रहे हैं उनकी body covering उनको कैसे help करती है उनके habitat, उनके रहने की जगह पे, right? Now, I'm going to show you a picture, right? And you want to see the picture, then I'm going to ask the question from you. Just have a look toward this animal. Which animal it is? Yes, it's a turtle. Yes, turtle hai ye. Now, let me know where it lives. It lives both on land and water. Wow, good. And what is this hard part known as? It's a shell. Okay, good, very good. How the shell help a turtle to survive? क्या यूज है इतना भारी ये लेके घूमता है? कोई यूज है इसका या जस्ट एम शो के लिए है? Yes, it's help the turtle to survive, to protect the turtle from the enemies, and it is the home of the turtle. Very good. So can you tell me one thing कि और जो animals होते हैं क्या उनके पास भी एक ये turtle ही ये जो shell है turtle की तरह वो ही है? So all the animals are like we have deer, we have the monkeys, we have the crocodile, snake भी हमने देखे हैं. We have seen the polar bear also, we have seen camel also, then duck, then fish. क्या हर animal के ऊपर shell होता है? Or they have something else? Today we are going to find that only कि what they have to cover the body. उनकी body covering कैसी है? And how that covering helps that animal, right, with the activity. So let's move towards the activity. Now you have to open page number 30 of S2 and you have to observe the pictures of the animal which is given in question number 1. क्या करना है आपने? इनको बहुत ध्यान से you have to see, and हर एनिमल की अलग अलग कवरिंग्स है. फर्स्ट एनिमल है उसके ऊपर कुछ और है, सेकंड we have something else. So आपने सोचना है कि जो animal, I'm going to tell the names of the animals. Like first is the crocodile, second is the peacock, third we have the rabbit, and fourth we have the snail. इनकी जो बॉडी कवरिंग है वो शायद इन चारों की एकदम अलग है. So what you have to do, you have to think कि जो इनकी बॉडी कवरिंग है वो उनको जो जहाँ वो रहते हैं उसमें कैसे हेल्प करती है. क्यों एक क्रोकोडाइल की जो बॉडी है वो ऐसी है? क्यों जो पिकॉक के ऊपर की जो बॉडी है जो उसकी कवरिंग ऐसी है? वाई? एंड देन यू हैव टू राइट द नेम ऑफ सम एनिमल्स हैविंग द सेम टाइप ऑफ बॉडी कवरिंग. लाइक क्रोकोडाइल की जैसी बॉडी कवरिंग ऐसी और किस एनिमल्स की? राइट एटलीस्ट 3 names, ओके, इन योर नोटबुक, राइट? Just have a look how I have written in my notebook the date, the day, block 5, topic 2, body covering. Then you have to make a table like this. name of the animals like crocodile we saw, then peacock, then the rabbit and the snail, then the body covering. इनकी body covering कैसी है, hard है, soft है, या उनकी body पे बाल हैं तो उनको क्या बोलते हैं, all these things. And the more animals having the same type of body covering. Just have a look how I have done the activity. I wrote the body covering of the animals, then the more animals like the having the same body covering. So let's discuss what we have done in the activity. The name of the animals which we were having in the activity were the crocodile, the peacock, the rabbit and the scale. Next, the body covering. Body covering of the crocodile was of hard scales. They were having a scale that was the dry scales. The peacock was having the feather. Rabbit, a fur. Snail, a shell. Khol, fur, bal, feathers and scales. Next. The other animals which are having the same things like crocodile having a scale. Scales we have in the fish. We have in the lizards and the snake. Scales look like this. इस टाइप के होते हैं scales. The scales are the hard plates. इनको हम hard plates बोलते हैं. That covers the body of a fish, of the lizard or the snakes. Next come the feathers. Feathers होते हैं जो birds की body पे होते हैं, like the we have on the parrot, and we have kingfisher. All birds, eagle, जितने भी birds होंगी उन सब की birds में we have the feathers. Feathers मिलेंगे. Then we have the fur. Fur है वो animals की body में मिलते हैं. Like it can be on the animal which is living in the cold region or in the hot region. The dog, the cat, the goat, and so on. Next, the shell. Shell means covering जो खोल होता है. We have on the turtle, tortoise, then lobsters. Now let's discuss how the body coverings are different from each other and how they help the animals. First, we will talk about the scales. Scales we have in the fish or in the snakes. Means reptiles में होती हैं, crocodile हो गया, lizards होगी. जो fish में जो scales होते हैं, they help the fish in swimming. Scales की help से वो swim करते हैं. जो snakes होते हैं, they protect the body of the fish, of the snakes. जो lizards होती हैं, they are like crocodile, they have the hard body. They help them to live in the body. वो body में easily help करते हैं उनको रहने में. The lizards which are living in the dry area, like deserts where we have a lot of lizards, they have the dry skin. So that help them to for dehydration. वो जो sun की rays से वो जो उनकी hard covering होती है, tough covering होती है, वो help करता है कि उनका जो body का water है वो dehydrate यानी सूखे नहीं. Next we have the fur. Fur we are having in the mammals. हमारे mammals जो होते हैं like dog, cat, goat, sheep, इनमें हमारे we have the furs. And fur जो होते हैं हमारे वो that is a hard like of hair, covering of hair. So the animals which are living in the colder region, they will be having more fur, and the animals which are living in the plain area, they will be having the less fur. Next, let's talk about the shell. Shell जो होता है वो खोल होता है, वो बहुत hard covering होती है. वो हमारे turtle, tortoise इनमें होती है. वो एक तरह से उनका हेल्प करता है उनको रहने के लिए. whenever they are going and they feel कि that they are not safe, कोई predator उनको खा रहा है, so वो अपने आप को उस shell में protect कर सकते हैं. बहुत hard होता है वो उनके लिए. that is the main thing that protects them from their predators. Then we have the feathers. The feathers are on the birds. Birds के हर bird के ऊपर feathers होंगे, and the feathers covers the body of the bird and it's give them the warmth, उनको गर्माहट देते हैं, cold temperature, they protect them from the cold temperature, and then they help them in the flying also. And next we have one more, that is spines. स्पाइन्स यानी कांटे, यानी एक एनिमल होता है उसका नाम होता है पॉर्क्यूपाइन. पॉर्क्यूपाइन जो होता है उसके बॉडी पे ऐसे ऐसे कांटे होते हैं और वो बहुत इजीली चलता रहता है व्हेनेवर इट गोइंग, बट व्हेनेवर इट सीज कि भाई हाँ कोई प्रेडेटर आ गया है, कोई उसको जंगली जानवर खाने के लिए आ रहा है, तो वो अपने जो स्पाइन्स होते हैं, जो उसके कांटे होते हैं, उनको खड़ा कर देता है ताकि जो उसका शिकार करने आया एनिमल वो उसको ना खा सके. एंड द स्पाइन्स प्रोटेक्ट्स द पॉर्क्यूपाइन. डू यू नो some porcupines have more than 30,000 spines on their body. 30,000 से ज़्यादा उसके कांटे हो सकते हैं. Now there is one more question, that do you think that the habitat of the animals depends on the body covering also? How? Yes, it depends. Like the animal which are living in the colder region, they will be having the long fur. उनके बड़े बड़े बाल होंगे. And if we see those animals, so we can easily tell this animal is from the cold region. If the animals are having the scales on their body, scales होंगे, so we can easily identify these are the water animal or these are the reptiles. Yes, very good. Now one more question is there. Now let me know how the body covering adaptation helps the animal to survive better in their habitat. कि कैसे जो एनिमल्स की जो बॉडी कवरिंग होती है वो उनको जहाँ वो रहते हैं उसको हेल्प करती है वो सर्वाइव करने में. The body covering helps the animals a lot. Like if the animals are having the fur who are living in the colder regions, so that fur will protect them from the cold weather. वो उनको ठंड जो इतनी बर्फ गिरती है कैसे वो एनिमल इजीली घूम सकती है क्योंकि उनके पास इतने बड़े बड़े फर होते हैं. That is the reason they are able to live in that area. Scales जो होते हैं on the fish or on the snakes that help them to live in the water. Water में उनकी body को वो protect करते हैं, वो swimming के लिए वो उनको help out करते हैं. The porcupine जो होता है वो उसको help करता है कि how it can get relief from its predator. उसे predator नहीं खा सकता है. The shell which is on tortoise, the tortoise के ऊपर shell होता है, that is the real home of a turtle, of a tortoise, right? Now let me know what body covering do we, the human beings, have and how that body covering help us. The body covering which we have is our skin, as we have talked in this class in the beginning. So the body covering of a human being is the skin, ठीक है? And it protects us. It protects us from the dehydration. वो हमें dehydration से बचाती है. It protects us from the cold and hot weather. इसके लिए बचाती है हमें. It protects us from very extreme hot and very extreme cold, है ना? And it's help us in feeling sensation. And now read page number 27 of content book, Animal Body Coverings. Now do S2 of page number 30 of workbook. The question number 1 is you have to complete the table, and in the table you have to write the name of the animals. The second column is what type of body covering do you see? Which other animals have similar body? इनके जैसे और किसके animals की body है और body covering का क्या नाम है? How does it help the animal to survive in its habitat? जो इनकी बॉडी कवरिंग है वो इनको कैसे हेल्प करती है सर्वाइव करने में. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट टाइप ऑफ बॉडी कवरिंग डू फिश हैव? फिश के पास कैसी बॉडी कवरिंग होती है? द सेकेंड पार्ट बी इज हाउ इज द बॉडी कवरिंग एंड एडेप्टेशन दैट हेल्प्स फिश टू सर्वाइव इन देयर हैबिटेट. जो फिश के पास जो बॉडी कवरिंग होती है वो कैसे उनको हेल्प करती है सर्वाइव करने के लिए. The homework is that you have to do question number 2 and 3 of page number 30. Question number 2 is which animals have thick fur as their body covering? किन animal के पास बहुत thick fur होती है body covering पे, and how does it help them survive in their habitat? और वह कैसे उनको habitat में help करती है survive करने में. The third question is why do animals living in dry regions have dry scales on their body? जो ड्राई रीजन यानी सूखे एरिया में जो रहते हैं उनकी बॉडी पे ड्राई जो स्केल्स होते हैं वो उनको वहाँ पर रहने के लिए कैसे हेल्प करती है. So let's sum up what we have done. Before sum up, I'm going to tell you one amazing fact regarding the snakes. Do you know snakes do not have eyelashes? जो आँखों की पलकें होती हैं वो snakes में नहीं होती है. So today we have read about the body coverings. So the body coverings are the fur. Fur यानी बड़े बड़े बाल. बाल जो होते हैं वो बहुत बड़े भी हो सकते हैं, like the polar bear जो animals कोल्ड रीजन में रहती हैं उनके बहुत बड़े फर हो सकते हैं. The animals which are living in plain area, they have very small hairs, so they help them to survive. The fur covers their body of the animals, of the mammals, and they protect them from the cold and the hot weather. Like the scales are on the fish, they are on the snakes, lizards, crocodile. The lizards, those one living in the dry area, that dry area, की जो lizards होती हैं उनकी जो रफ उनकी जो बॉडी होती है कवरिंग स्केल से, वो उनको हेल्प करती है कि उनके बॉडी के अंदर से पानी ना निकल सके, डिहाइड्रेशन नहीं हो सके. द फिश स्केल्स हेल्प देम टू स्विम इन द वाटर. नेक्स्ट द फेदर्स, जो फेदर होते हैं दे आर ऑन द birds. हर bird पे they have the feathers, and the feathers cover the body of the bird and it protects them from the cold weather or the hot weather. Next come the shell. We can see the shells on the tortoise, or we can see on the lobsters, or we can see on the tortoise. उनके ऊपर शेल होता है, जो शेल होता है वो उनकी बहुत हार्ड कवरिंग होती है and it protects them from the predators. And the last one is the spines. spine यानी कांटे. Porcupine एक ऐसा एनिमल है जिसके ऊपर spines होते हैं. spines कांटे होते हैं, so वो अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट कर सकता है predators से. Thank you and have a nice day. Resources for tomorrow are the content book, the notebook, the workbook and the pencil. Be ready with the resources. Thank you. Have a nice day.